This video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly booking to Lovable AI. So to do that, you first need to open your Calendly and click onto this create. And let's click onto this current event type, which is one-on-one. And for this case, just create this event. So once you have an event ready, you can actually set up the meeting details for this. You can see right here the copy link option. Proceed to click on this. Once we have that, let's head back right here to our Calendly and let's ask them to add a button for scheduling meetings. Then just input right here the URL. URL is, and then input and send this message. And after that, this will actually prompt Lovable to think, which will add this button that we have inputted. So just wait for this to edit the index TSX, and once it's done, it should be able to appear right here, the actual button. So just wait for this. And from in there, you can see the schedule a meeting option. And when you click on this case, you will be prompted your Calendly referral link. So visitors of your site can actually book a meeting with you. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.